Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Big Boss 9063 1300-watt oil-less fryer. Big Boss fryer can be operated by multiple methods like as halogen heating, convection heating, and IR technology heating. The halogen system used for browning and roasting, convection system ensures even cooking from all directions, and the infrared system ensures cooking from inside. The machine uses less quantity of oil. It gives multiple options to the user and making the product popular as compared to other fryers present in the market. It has twin trays by which users can cook a variety of foods simultaneously in minimum possible time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DFAF 455GBAQ01 Deluxe Electric Air Fryer. The DFAF 455GBAQ01 from Dash is a low-fat healthy cooking machine, a combination of the fryer and an oven cooker, which makes the life of kitchen users convenient and easy. The rapid air circulation system makes the food easy to cook. At a maximum capacity of 6 quarts, it's a little smaller than the previous one, but still big enough to feed 4 to 6 people. The 30 minutes auto shut-off timer prevents the fryer to work if you leave it turned on. This fryer has temperature control and timer dial. This fryer cooker can be used for multiple purposes like as baking, frying, grills, and roasts within minimum possible time. This machine comes with a recipe booklet. All its parts are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. At number 3, we have the Elite Platinum EAF 1506D Electric Digital Hot Air Fryer. The EAF 1506D from Elite Platinum is one of the most popular products among the home users. It has a 3.5 quart capacity non-stick basket, enough to prepare food for 3 to 4 people. The EAF 1506D has a digital touchscreen panel and 6 preset menu functions. It also has a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off. You can adjust the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the cool touch handle enables you to open the fryer without burning your hands. It makes the food crispy and tender by using air movement technology, and you can fit in a whole chicken. At number 2, we have the COSORI 1500W Electric Hot Air Fryer. The 1500W Electric Hot Air Fryer from COSORI is used for frying all types of your favorite fried foods. It has 11 customizable presets a button away and has non-stick, dishwasher-safe square baskets with a capacity of 3.7 quarts. This fryer uses only 1 tablespoon of oil for the whole batch. This machine uses hot air for cooking healthy food in less time. It has an auto timer and adjustable temperature that you control directly from the one-touch LED panel. It has a convenient keep warm function to save the food from lunch for dinner or for another member of your family if they come home late. And finally, at number 1, we have the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6-in-1. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6-in-1 is a compact fryer with a digital touchscreen panel that has 6 preset programs with which you can roast, broil, reheat, or dehydrate your foods. The Vortex Plus heats the air evenly and cooks the food faster than the traditional oven or fryer, without the excess oil. The Even Crisp technology gives you the perfect crisp on the outside of your food, while they're tender on the inside. The 6-quart basket can fit up to 2 pounds of fries or a 4-pound chicken. This model is easy to clean. You only have to wipe away the residue from the case and put the basket and the cooking pan to the dishwasher. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.